Very good night to all. The topic that I select to carry out the activity is elusive to a school research project that I have been developing with May. Team or research is it a pretty good topic and deals with organizational culture and human management in Colombia. Companies, and for this I share the following summary of the importance of the topic. The competitiveness of companies is increasingly unsustainable over time. Therefore, innovation is used as a source to ensure permanence in the market, but in order for it to be maintained in a sustainable way, it is analyzed with are the variables that facilitate and the potential the innovative process in the long term. The antecedents sex that these are the human and the culture and accordance with the following the objective of the work into answer the following question. With this investigation have analyzed innovation in terms of human resource and organizational culture. To answer the question, a systematic literature review is carried out applying the use of keyword in the Scopus database and with the search result obtained and reading protocol defined by the research is implemented. The result gives scientific evidence of the little research that has been carried out the trade, innovation, human resource, culture, whose knowledge gaps allow the work to generate value by giving recommendation for future research that is not in the field of knowledge. This is something I wanted to share with you. Thank you very much.